Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we dive into the amazing world of ChatGPT. Prepare to learn the 7 reasons why ChatGPT is a game changer when it comes to getting information and receiving quick support. Reason number 1, instant assistance. With ChatGPT, you have a virtual assistant at your fingertips, providing quick and accessible help whenever you need it. Reason number 2, knowledgeable and up-to-date. Trained on a vast amount of data, ChatGPT offers accurate and relevant information based on the latest updates up until September 2021. Reason number 3, versatile support. Whether you're seeking help with academic research, creative writing, or general knowledge inquiries, ChatGPT can assist you across a wide range of tasks and domains. Reason number 4, language understanding. Designed to comprehend human language, ChatGPT can understand your complex queries and provide meaningful responses. Reason number 5, available 24/7. ChatGPT is here for you round the clock, no matter where you are or what time it is, ready to provide the support you need. Reason number 6, personalized interactions. ChatGPT adapts to your input, engaging in conversational exchanges and making your interaction more interactive and engaging. And finally, reason number 7, continuous improvement. As OpenAI makes advancements, ChatGPT evolves to become even more sophisticated, ensuring a constantly improving user experience. And that concludes our exploration of the amazing capabilities of ChatGPT. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and love such content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. We love hearing from our viewers, so don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for joining us on this AI adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.